From one cell to a whole person, the essential question, how could siblings look different even though they come from the same parents?
Mitosis goes through a series of stages, and one of the first stages is interphase, which preps the cell for cell division. It goes through G1 of interphase, S of interphase, and G2 of interphase. Then there is prophase, which condenses the DNA into chromosomes. In the nucleus membrane, it then begins to dissolve. And then it goes into metaphase. Metaphase is where the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Then anaphase, when the sister chromatids break apart and move to the opposite sides of the cell. Then telophase, where sister chromatids move to the opposite ends of the cell and two nuclei are formed. This cleavage furrow appears. Then for the last one is cytokinesis, where cytoplasm pinches to form two identical sister cells, daughter cells, with the same amount of DNA. Both cells are daughter cells. This is mitosis.
Mitosis produces genetically different daughter cells and goes through PMAT 2 times using only sex cells. At the start, there is 4 homologous chromosomes, and then in interphase, sister chromatids duplicate and have 92 chromatids. During prophase 1, crossing over occurs, which creates genetic diversity. They get close together and swap DNA, and chromosomes condense and cross over. During metaphase 1, they line up side by side. During anaphase 1, chromosomes don't split up, they move to sides of the cell. During telophase 1 and cytokinesis 1, they become two different cells. During prophase 2 and metaphase 2, there's no more crossing over, spindles form and line up in a single file line. During anaphase 2, chromatids get separated. During telophase 2 and cytokinesis, nuclei forms and cytokinesis separate cells. Ending cell only has 23 chromosomes and results in 4 genetically different cells.
The difference between mitosis and meiosis is that mitosis produces genetically identical daughter cells, while meiosis produces genetically different daughter cells. Mitosis is a diploid cell, while meiosis are haploids. Mitosis produces 2 new cells, while meiosis produces 4 new cells. Mitosis goes through cell division 1 time and meiosis goes through it twice. Mitosis creates somatic cells, which are body cells, while meiosis creates sex cells such as sperm or egg gametes.
Siblings look different even though they have the same parents because of the genetic diversity from the genes crossing over in the meiosis, creating different variations of DNA possible for them to have. Not all siblings will get the same, causing them to look different.